101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Muhammad Yusril Abidin, as the host tonight. And we already with BPEC Makassar here. Hey guys.
Hey.
Hi.
How's your day?
Hi.
How's your day, Kak?
Nice.
Oh,
Amazing.
nice. As you know that every single Tuesday night we conduct a discussion, an English conversation with BPEC Makassar, and it's actually about an interesting topic. But before that, I'd like to invite the speakers here to introduce themselves one by one. And if you don't mind, guys, maybe you can give one quote for Indonesia because tomorrow is the Independence Day of our country, 17 August 2022. Okay, maybe start from Kabudi.
Okay, hello smart listener. My name is Ahmad Budi S, but you can call me Budi. And my quote for Indonesia, Independence Day tomorrow, I think we should make Indonesia great again.
Oh, great again. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you. And how about you, Kak? Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mala Hayati, but everybody calls me Mala.
Hi, Kamala.
I'm a teacher, but I don't go to school. I only teach in my home.
Private teacher.
Yeah, private teacher.
And do you have any quote for Indonesia? Hope or wish?
Just get better and love your country. Don't compare with another countries. That's it.
Oh, don't compare with another countries. Okay, thank you very much. And probably you can you introduce what actually BPEC is?
BPEC is the oldest English meeting club in Makassar, and it's older than me. 2 years older than me. Since 1986.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it held in Fort Rotterdam. We have weekly meeting. Sunday weekly meeting at 10 a.m. That's it.
And how about the items or the something that we did there?
Yeah, because it's free of charge, so don't waste your time in your home. Just come and sit and just introduce yourself as a newcomer if you want to come. Yeah, and you will get new knowledge. Everything you can get, especially in grammar and friends. You can make friends there.
Okay. Okay, great. So if you guys want to improve your English, you can visit BPEC Makassar.
Yep.
And anyway, we are going to discuss about silent treatment, which is consists of two words. Silent and treatment. And I want to hear your opinion, guys. Start from Kamala. Yeah. What is, in your opinion, about silent treatment? It can be definition or something.
Silent treatment is somebody that just keeps silence when they quarrel after quarrel, or when you feel not comfortable with something or with someone else. Just keep silence, maybe in a while or for 2 days, or it depends on the person. It means that you are angry or mad at someone.
Oh, okay. So there is no limitation. They some people say that it's just like 3 days. We cannot do it more than 3 days.
Yeah, more than 3 days sometimes, or even maybe a year, 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah, if you have
2
revenge
years.
to that person.
Okay. Thank you, Kak. And how about you, Kak Budi?
For me, I think silent treatment is something that we always do and have always done, because this is the thing that we always do even without knowing it. Because I think silent treatment is the term that when someone is get angry with us, but they don't really do like telling you that they're angry. They just stay silent. They're just being silent. Like whenever we ask them like what happened, they just ignore us, and but they don't tell us anything. So I think mostly people do something like this without intention. Like they're just doing it without knowing. So I think at some point I think yeah. For me, I think yes. Mostly I get this from women. Yeah, I'm sorry, women, because they sometimes because I have experience from like this from my ex-girlfriend and also from my mom. Because when my mom get mad, he just stay silent and like pretend that I don't really exist there. Like whenever I ask like what happened, mom, like what's going on, like she just stay silent. Like okay. When I know that he's just being silent, I just stay away and let her be okay.
Okay. Means that you always being the victim?
Sometimes yeah, I also been because I'm not really the type of person who do this kind of thing because when I get mad with someone, I just say whatever I want to them.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kak.
Yeah, thank you.
And how about you, Kamala? Do you have any experience related to silent treatment?
Yes, of course.
Mhm.
It seems like every day, maybe.
Maybe every day. Okay.
Not really, but I think it's almost every day when somebody try to not avoid, maybe because they are busy. But I think it always happens to me. It's every day. I just think maybe thinking negative about them. Or maybe because they don't like me, but actually they are busy, not because they don't like me. Because I'm a person, I don't want to let my friends, just keep silence to me. I will ask, what happened to you? What are you feeling? And blah blah blah. I ask.
All of your friend of yours.
Not all of, but when they are close to me,
Okay.
I will ask.
Oh, means that you do silent treatment with someone that avoid you, seems like avoid you.
No, I mean my friends. It is like I am as a victim. I feel like
victim.
every day, but actually not.
Oh.
They don't do it silent treatment, but only some. Maybe because they are too close to me, like boyfriend or like close friend. Sometimes I feel it.
Oh, okay. That's nice experience. And for you, smart listener, if you want to share your experience related to silent treatment, you can share that in room chat of our YouTube, Smartfm Makassar. And anyway, I want to ask Budi about still silent treatment. And do you think that this thing, silent treatment, can be a problem solving of something?
Depends on situation, because sometimes because I'm almost 30, because sometimes silent treatment is not always the best solution, because when you get mad at someone or some people, I think you just have to confront them. Like you just have to tell them that what is the thing that you get mad to them, because if you do silent treatment and that the situation is not good, it will come back to you. Like they like, let's just say, like if you are mad with someone and like you do silent treatment, you give them silent treatment, and then let's just say they are sensitive, like they can get easily angry, so like it will come back to you. Like even though that she is the one, like he is the one, or they are the one who make you angry, but in the end they are the one who blame you, because how to say, because they are so sensitive, like they don't realize what they made to you. So that's why sometimes you have to see the person before you do silent treatment, because you don't want them, you don't want to ruin your relationship with people. So that's why for me, because I grow older, so I need to just say whatever the thing that make me annoy or mad to someone or to some people.
Okay.
Just grow up, because you are you just have to be grow up and think more wisely
Oh, okay.
if you do something.
Think more wisely. Okay, that's great. And how about you, Kak? I mean, same question actually. Do you think that silent treatment can be a solution for a particular problem?
It depends on that person.
Mm-hmm.
When you think his characters or her characters is not like you, yeah, it's gonna be a problem, your problem, if you just keep silent. Yeah, it's gonna be different. I have a boyfriend. He's from India, and he's
Oh.
always keep silent.
Okay.
Then I don't like. And I asked, "What happened to you? Are you busy 24 hours? What happened to you? I need to know." And it maybe a week. A week or 2 days later,
Wow.
and he will say, "I'm sorry, I'm busy," but I don't trust him.
You don't trust him. Oh, okay. Oh, that's actually a nice experience. But we'll back after the